You're about to learn the first section of my new beginner tap dance choreography to the song We Don't Talk About Bruno from Encanto. And also at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up almost any step in the easiest way possible, so you don't want to miss that. If you're new here, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com, where we're helping people just like you be happier and healthier through tap dance. Without further ado, let's jump right in. So start with our feet apart, hands behind the back, head down. We hold 8 and 1. Then we do stamp, step, step, stamp, step, step, dig, 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 stamp. And as you might have guessed, that's when they're singing 8 and 1. We don't talk about Bruno, no, no, no. Pardon my singing. I'll do that one more time. Ready, go? 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and. From here, heels, toes, heels, drag, step, step, left foot, cramp, roll, clap. I'm going to show that again. That was heels, toes, heels, drag, step, step, left foot, cramp, roll, clap. I'll do that at counts. 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 6, 7 and 8 and. And on that clap is when they say, but done. It was our wedding day, right? So there will be a lyric right on that clap. Let's connect that all from the top. 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 6, 7 and 8 and. One more time. Here we go. 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 6, 7 and 8 and. From here, dig, step, step, dig, step, step, dig, step with my weight on it. Step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel. All right? Just to show you, but boom, it was our wedding day. Da 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 da. So sort of like it's our wedding day, like you're dancing. Oh, my heart's filled with love because it's your wedding day, etc., etc. That's the feel that we're going for. Let's go from the dig, step, step. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel. Again, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. From here, repeat the dig, step, steps. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, followed by stamp, step, step, stamp, step, step, stamp. Again, that was stamp, step, step, stamp, step, step, stamp. And that's right on the words, no clouds allowed in the sky. So we're going to follow the lyrics right on that part. Good. Let's go from the very first time we do the dig, step, steps. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 8 and. Let's hit that one more time, then we'll go back from top and connect it. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 8 and. Beautiful! From the top. Here we go. 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 8 and. You bet we'll do that one more time from the top. 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 8 and. If you're having a good time, please hit that like, subscribe and notification bell, and drop a comment down below letting us know what you'd like to see next. I'll wait a second while you do that. Thank you so much. Also, if you're enjoying this choreography and you want the full dance with the full breakdown, the notes and the video and all of that, you can get that at unitedtaps.com. All right, let's jump back into the breakdown. From here, toe, step, step, toe, step, step, toe, step, step, toe, step, 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 step. I'm going to do that all again. Toe, step, step, toe, step, step, toe, step, step, toe, step, 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 step. Each time I do the toe, my head is to the left. Left, then front, left, then front, left, left, front. All right? And now his arms are just doing circles. Okay? Cool. So let's do that toe, step, step with some counts. 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and here's we go. Thunder. Da 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 da. Right? So we're gonna go stamp, stamp, spank, step, stamp, stamp, clap. That's our thunder. Thunder. Da 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 da. I'll do that again. 6, 7, 8. Stamp, stamp, spank, step, stamp, stamp, clap. With counts 7, 8. 1 and 2, a 3 and 4 and hold 5. Heel, 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 drag. And that's what, I don't know what they say. I'm terrible with lyrics. Da, 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 ha. Like they hit sort of a high note right there. Da, 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 ha. So you'll hear that in the original song. It goes right with the vocals there. Cool. Let's go from thunder. That's the stamp, stamp. 6, 7, 8. Thunder, da 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 da. 1, 2, 3, 4, drag. With counts 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, we got 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Beautiful. Awesome. And that is the end of section 1. Congratulations. I'm going to go back now and connect it from our toe, step, step. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Super! All right, let's go back and connect it from the top and put that all together. You got this. Here we go. 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 6 and 7 and 8. Cool! We're going to run that one more time, and then we'll talk about group options. Here we go. 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 6 and 7 and 8. What we're going to do now, we're going to run all of section 1 under tempo and then real speed, and I'll have both group A and B parts happening at the same time on the screen so you can see how it goes. Let's give it a shot. thank you so much for tapping with me. I hope you had a wonderful time. If you did, please hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and drop a comment down below letting us know what you'd like to see next. I'll wait for a second while you do that. Thank you so much. And again, you can get this full choreography, the full dance with written notes and counts, the whole package, all at unitedtaps.com. Not to mention, we've got workouts in across the floor and dictionary and practice exercises. I mean, you name it, we have a ton of tap dance content for you to enjoy. As promised, I'm going to share with you one of the easiest strategies for making any step faster. We'll start with a basic shuffle step, right? Shuffle step, shuffle step. Maybe you're trying to get to this speed, shuffle step, but you're just feeling stuck and it's not happening. There is a mental shortcut. Now, it has its drawbacks, but it can get you to the speed that you want. And the mental shortcut is this. Instead of speeding up all three sounds, brush, spank, and step, brush, spank, and step, brush, spank, and step. That's a lot for your mind to process. Especially the faster you go, the faster your brain has to process three separate sounds. Instead of speeding up all three sounds, you're going to focus on just one sound per repetition. So instead of brush, spank, and step, I'm only going to try to make the step faster. So I'll start at my normal speed. And step, 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 step. And I'll just speed up the steps. And in just speeding up the steps, the other sounds will automatically come along, with the exception my brain doesn't have to concentrate on each one of those and make them speed up. Okay? So now, for most of you, some of you are saying this sounds too good to be true. And a little bit it is. It will speed you up. However, if your footwork's not quite solid, what will happen is as you speed up, you'll miss a lot of sounds. Now, some people have the footwork solid, and this little technique gets them to the speed they want, and their sounds are fine. If the footwork is still a little dicey at this speed, you might want to spend more time getting it solid so that when you do speed up those steps, and step, 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 that the other sounds will come along with it. And some of it's just practice, right? It's not magically going to happen right away. But that definitely will get you over those speed bumps where you feel like, I just can't go any faster. With this technique, you definitely can go faster. The challenge then is just making sure you're getting all your sounds. All right, I hope you find that tip helpful. And by the way, at unitedtaps.com, not only do we have this full routine, we have a bunch more choreography. We've got lessons, we've got a tap dictionary, we've got workouts, we've got across the floor. I mean, you name it, we have it. Tap dictionary and syllabus, practice exercises, just a ton of stuff to keep you tapping and having a great time. So be sure to check that out. Thank you again for tapping with me. I appreciate that. I am Rod from unitedtaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.